welcome back to a new school year. We want to give a warm welcome to the class of 2027. I'm Jacob Antonio Vargas III Jr.
And I'm Isaac Charles Eister.
Bertrand Russell lived from 1872 to 1970, was a British mathematician, philosopher, logician, and public intellectual. He had a considerable influence on mathematics, logic, set theory, linguistics, artificial intelligence, cognitive science, computer science, and various areas of analytical philosophy, especially philosophy of mathematics, philosophy of language, epistemology, and metaphysics.
Fear is the main source of superstition and one of the main sources of cruelty. To conquer fear is the beginning of wisdom. Bernard Russell.
We hope you missed us because we sure missed you.
Have you ever been interested in being a news anchor, cameraman, or television producer? Well, we have good news for you. The Independence Film Club meetings every Wednesday at lunch in room 204 in Mr. Campbell's room. We produce in the morning Baler Bulletin, the school news. We make short films and anything film related. If you're interested in joining, stop by Mr. Campbell's room and scan the QR code or stop at the next meeting to check it out. No experience is necessary. If you have any questions, you can email rcampbell at San Benito High School or Ruiz33811 at San Benito High School.
Hollister High School students, are you interested in a pre-college program? South County CalSoap invites you to join their program, offering academic advising, financial aid assistance, or scholarship workshops and more. Stop by the College and Career Center to pick up an application in room 184 or email the Hollister High's advisor, aponce at sanbenitohighschool.k12cat.us.
Join the Prom Dress Boutique for meetings every first Wednesday of the month starting September 6th in room 231.
This year, we are excited to host our first fundraiser car show on Sunday, October 8th, 2023 from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Baler Alley.
Interested in showing your car? Use the QR code and sign up. For more, contact any club officer or Miss Torres. Hey.
If you are interested in spending 2 weeks in Europe this summer, check out this video. Ask your teacher you can use your phone to scan the QR code at the end. No, this is not a school-sponsored trip.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching. And remember,
Go Balers!